guys, Judy L. Jones back with better tips for you. How do you bake a cleaner, healthier brownie? By adding sweet potatoes to the recipe. Sweet potatoes, as you know, are root vegetables packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which you should consider eating to better boost your immunity and fight inflammation. By adding at least 1 to 2 medium-sized large sweet potatoes to the recipe, your brownie becomes an immune-boosting and cleaner food. I chose brownies because I like chocolate, but you can attempt to add the sweet potatoes to cookies and cakes because we already know what they can do to a pie. Besides sweet potatoes, the recipe I chose also called for a cup of oat flour. Oat flour is naturally gluten-free, making it a suitable option for people who suffer from celiac disease or gluten intolerance. I will put the entire recipe in the description box below. In the meantime, go on ahead and take a bite of these delicious, fudgy, chocolatey brownies. And may I add, nutritious. It'll do your body good.